that off, they're going to all just basically oscillate in and out. And if I change this noise scale so it's not as quick, you'll see that it won't move as quickly. There'll still be some movement, but they won't move as quickly. So that's where the magic comes from, creating the puzzle and the cells. They're still moving, and of course they're attracted to a sphere that's located in the center of the scene. So if I turn on debug, you can see that if I increase the sphere's radius, there it is right there in the center, right there. So you can see what's going on. And if I move the sphere around, you'll see that they're attracted to that sphere, and I can turn on multiple spheres. So you can have, like, this mixture of like two spheres. So you can create a puzzle that's not, that's not centered per se, right? That's more like on the right or the left. Basically, I just play around with these until I like, what the end result looks like, and then I go ahead and just hit this export button that export all these things, but that density is too high, so I'd probably decrease it to like 50 or something, and then also you can change. Oh man, I keep hitting this thing. I'm gonna put it back in the center. I'm gonna remove the center one, and then turn off debug. You can change the thickness of the puzzle as well, so you can get something like that, or you can change the number of slices you have to generate more complex shapes. So, for example, if we increase that to maybe 100 layers, and then now we hit this export mesh button. It takes a second to think about it. It's exported, and it has created this. If we open in Maya, you'll see that it has generated all the geometry, like that. And then what I do is the same program generates this small script that does this magical thing.
Separation.
Yeah, what it does is actually, so all the cells are actually saved as well in that same folder. What it does is just like take those cells, it closes it, and I finally realized how I can do it without Maya, which is kind of cool. And there we are, there's the puzzle right there, ready to be printed. You can pull out a piece and check it out. All the normals are right. Oh man. So this would be a really hard puzzle.